In fact, up to 95% of AI projects fail. But here's the key. It's not that AI doesn't work. An accidental disclosure of personal information can trigger GDPR fines up to 20 million, saving 10 hours per employee per week, improved its Instagram engagement by up to 40%, reduced its customer support workload by up to 60%, reduced by up to 50% in just 1 to 3 months. 2026, we will see even more specialized AI tools. Imagine working 10 hours less per week but getting more done. In 2025, small businesses face more competition than ever before. Yet, AI tools are leveling the playing field like never before, allowing even the smallest businesses to compete with giants. But here's the question. Are you using AI to its full potential in your business? If not, then you are falling behind. However, today I'm going to show you how AI isn't just a buzzword, it's the game changer that can accelerate your growth. So, without a further ado, let's dive into the 7 ways you can leverage AI today with real world examples. Welcome back, entrepreneurs. I'm Heather, and if you are new to this channel, we are all about helping small businesses thrive using cutting edge tools and strategies. Today's topic is one that could redefine your business in 2026. So, let's get started. Small businesses face immense challenges from stiff competition to limited resources. But here's the good news. AI is here to change the game. With the right tools, you can make smarter decisions, boost efficiency, and transform your business completely. But many small business owners aren't tapping into the AI's full potential. If you are unsure where to start, you are in the right place. Now, I have to be a bit honest. Most small businesses struggle with AI. In fact, up to 95% of AI projects fail because of poor planning, bad data, and lack of buy-in from the team. But here's the key. It's not that AI doesn't work. AI definitely works. It's that the implementation wasn't done right. Let's talk about how you can avoid these pitfalls. Now, what are some of the common failure points? The first is picking tools before identifying the actual problem, unrealistic ROI expectations, poor data quality or insufficient data, lack of team buy-in and charge management, inadequate budget planning, and ignoring user experience and workflow integration. Now, these were just some common pain points that a lot of businesses face. But before we dive into the tools, let's lay down the roadmap for how you can start using AI in your business. And this isn't about just picking a random tool, it's about integrating it effectively into your workflow and growing strategically over time. And here's a 6-phase implementation timeline. Phase 1. Assessment and planning. Identifying your top business priority. Phase 2. Pilot selection. Choose 1 to 2 high impact use cases. Phase 3. Implementation, where you will deploy and test. Phase 4 is actual scaling, where you will expand across different departments. Phase 5 is optimization, where you will continuously improve your already made tools. And Phase 6 is monitoring, where you will track ROI and adjust your tools accordingly. While AI tools can definitely transform your business, it's essential to use them safely. Here are some main risks you should definitely consider. The first one is data privacy and leakage. When your team uses AI tools like ChatGPT, customer data might be stored or used for model training. An accidental disclosure of personal information can trigger GDPR fines up to 20 million or 4% of your global revenue. Number 2 is algorithm and security vulnerabilities, where AI systems can be manipulated, prompt-injected attacks, or malicious outputs, and compromised plugins can lead to credential theft or malware. Number 3 is IP and copyright concerns. If your AI generates content, you need to understand who owns the output and whether it might infringe on existing copyrights. Now let's dive into the 7 AI tools that will definitely help your business grow. Number 1 is for content creation, which means AI-powered writing and designing. AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Luca are transforming content creation with tools that generate high-quality articles, blogs, and even video scripts. You can now produce content at scale with minimal resources. For example, a SaaS startup increased its content output 3 times using ChatGPT for blog drafts, saving 10 hours per employee per week. Number 2 is social media strategy with AI, which means AI tools like Sprout Social and Metricool track engagement, suggest optimal posting times, and analyze your competitors. A local bakery improved its Instagram engagement by up to 40% by using AI analytics to post at the right time and target the key influencers. Number third is email marketing personalization, which is AI-powered email suites like Go High Level can personalize messages based on customer behavior. One market retailer saw a 35% increase in email open rates by just using AI-driven email segmentation. Number 4 is competitor insights with AI, where tools like SEMrush and SpyFu provide in-depth competitor analysis, helping you track your competition's SEO, ad spend, and even social presence. A local gym used SEMrush to track competitors' SEO strategies and adjusted their content strategy, resulting in a 20% increase in local traffic. Number 5 is chatbots for customer engagements, where AI chatbots like Tidu are designed to handle customer inquiries 24/7, improving customer satisfaction. And for example, a small e-commerce store reduced its customer support workload by up to 60% by just using and implementing AI chatbots for FAQs and inquiries. Number 6 is converting visitors into buyers, where web tools like Instapage and UserMind track user behavior to optimize landing pages and call to actions. An online store saw a 50% increase in conversion using AI recommendation to adjust its landing page content. Number 7 is local SEO with AI. Tools like Moz Local automatically optimize your Google My Business listing and push updates across local directories, where a small local shop increased its visibility by 40% using AI-driven local SEO strategy. Now here's a timeline for tracking key metrics by business functions. The first one is marketing, where your lead conversion rate can improve by 10 to 25% in just 3 to 6 months. The other one is sales, which means reducing sales cycle time by up to 25 to 40% in just 6 to 9 months. The third one is content, by replacing time per piece taking you to generate, which gets reduced by up to 50% in just 1 to 3 months. The fourth one is customer support, which means response time, which gets 60% faster in just 1 to 2 months. And the last one is operations, which means task automation rate, and these get 40 to 60% faster within just 6 to 12 months. Before we wrap up, let's talk about small common mistakes small businesses make when implementing AI. These pitfalls can definitely and will definitely slow you down or cause your project to fail completely. Number 1 is skipping the planning phase. Don't just rush into tools. Identify your biggest problems first. Number 2 is overpromising on results. AI can't work miracles in a week, so be realistic with your timelines. Number 3 is not involving your team early enough. If your team isn't on board, your AI tools will just collect dust. So AI is evolving rapidly. By the end of 2026, we will see even more specialized AI tools, industry-specific solutions, and a greater focus on AI safety and compliance. So don't just pick tools for today. Ask yourself, will this tool keep me evolving? Is the company investing in safety and compliance? Can I switch platforms if needed? Because imagine working 10 hours less per week but getting more done. Imagine having time for strategy instead of being stuck in execution. Imagine your customers feeling truly seen and understood. This is not just a fantasy. This is what AI is enabling you right now. So this was all in this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe the channel and turn on notification. Till next time, goodbye.